Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel for new and very important video for you. आज का वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा खास होने वाला है क्योंकि इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे हम लोग फ्लुएंसी से इंग्लिश बोल सकें। बिकॉज हम लोग किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बात करें, अगर बात करने टाइम हम लोग रुक रुक के बात करेंगे तो बात करने टाइम उतना एनर्जी, उतना एफिशिएंट वे हम लोग बात नहीं कर सकते। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई वांट टू डिस्कस हाउ कैन आई मेंटेन fluency during our conversation. That is more important. That means if you maintain fluency, that means your pronunciation, your speaking, that is natural way. बिना किसी देर के आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। Let's go. So my dear friend, most important concept, that is English conversation with contraction. Suppose I have one example like this. See carefully. I am probably. That is not correct process. You can pronunciation like that. I am probably. Not I am. That is I am. In that way, you can maintain your fluency. So my dear friend, in this video, I am to discuss this all example. Just see carefully. Our first example, that is this one. I am really excited about our upcoming event. No, you can pronunciation that is I am really excited about our upcoming event. In that way you can pronunciation. Our second example, this one. You are doing a great job. So you can modify your pronunciation like that. You are doing a great job. So my dear friend, you do not pronunciation you are. No, you can pronunciation your. In that way, you can modify your pronunciation. Our third example, this one. She has been studying English for years, but you can pronunciation she is been studying English for years. Not she is. You can pronunciation she is like that. So our fourth example, this one. I cannot believe we finished so quickly. No, my dear friend, we don't pronunciation I cannot. No, we can pronunciation that is I can't or I can't. Like that, I can't believe we finished so quickly, or I can't believe we finished so quickly. Our fifth example, this one. Do not forget to bring your ID card. No, we can pronunciation like that. Don't forget to bring your ID card. Our sixth example, this one. I would not be able to make it. We can pronunciation like that. I won't be able to make it. Not would not. That is owned. Our seventh example, this one. You should not eat too much junk food. No, my dear friend, we can pronunciation we shouldn't eat too much junk food. Not should not. That is shouldn't. Our eighth example, this one. It is not difficult for me, but we can pronunciation that is it isn't difficult for me. Our last example, this one. I will call you later. No, we can pronunciation I will call you later. Not I will. That is I will. My dear friend, अगर आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ भी वैल्यू ऐड हुआ आपके लाइफ के साथ एंड कुछ भी सही लगा तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर नेक्स्ट वीडियोस. Thank you so much, my dear friend. God bless you. Jai Hind.